Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy WEMIX in Play Wallet. In order to do this, you will have to launch your Play Wallet mobile application. I cannot show you the screen recording because Play Wallet does not allow the screen recording, but you will have to follow the steps that I'm about to show you. So once you are on the Play Wallet homepage, you need to tap on the WEMIX option, and then you just have to scroll down where you will be able to see a bunch of different exchanges on which you can purchase WEMIX. So among the given exchanges, you will have to select any of the exchanges. Let's say you have selected BitGet. So after selecting BitGet, in the search bar you will have to search for the WEMIX token. Now once you have found WEMIX with USDT pair, you will have to select it, and here you will be able to see the option of trade. So you will have to tap on trade, and after that you will be landed on this buy page. Now over here you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase the WEMIX coin, and then it will show you the quantity that you will get. Now here you need to press the buy WEMIX option, and then your order will be placed and you will be able to easily get WEMIX in your BitGet account. Now if you want to deposit it in your Play Wallet, then you will have to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and then tap on spot in the top. Here in the search bar you simply need to search for WEMIX, and once you have found WEMIX, you will have to tap on the withdraw option. Then select the on-chain withdrawal, and here you will have to select the withdrawal address. So in order to get the withdrawal address, you again have to launch your Play Wallet, and on the home page you will be able to see the receive option. So if you tap on receive, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy that and you need to paste it in this section. Then in the withdrawal amount, you will have to enter the amount of WEMIX that you want to withdraw from here. After that, you need to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and this way you will be able to easily buy WEMIX in Play Wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.